You want some? Ooh. Today's my day off and I just took a nap for 30 minutes. I'm going to make a coffee and then I will start to edit some videos. So this morning I woke up and filmed some videos. I was really craving for jjajangmyeon. You know the black bean noodle? There's a restaurant, they have really good jjajangmyeon. So I drove there. And today is Tuesday and they were closed. Why? I still don't know why they closed. So I was like, oh my god. I was thinking, where should I go? I really don't want to cook at the moment. I just want to eat something real quick at any restaurant. And I remember the restaurant, me and my wife went there before. Yeah, I had jjajangmyeon over there, but that's actually jjajangmyeon from China, Chinese style. So it's a little different and it was quite spicy. I ordered medium spicy, but it was quite spicy. I was sweating. It was actually good though. Actually, before I went into the restaurant, I took my camera with me to film at the restaurant, and like I was planning to go to Costco too. I turned on the camera and it says no SD card. So I was like, I was not in hurry, but I forgot so many things. Yeah, that's actually me. Like I'm pretty clumsy. Anyways, so I just ate the noodles. It was actually delicious. It's like, I don't know what sauce they use. There's like minced beef, bok choy, and a fried egg on top. Oh, it's really good. And after eating, I went to a Asian market real quick. It's right next to the restaurant. I bought some things. Let me show you what I got. Before that, let me finish coffee first. Look at this. So, what I do is a lot of ice, a little water, and espresso. This is what Koreans actually order at cafe. Iced Americano. You want some? So this is what I got. Oh, why am I so tired? The coffee is really good. I got some mandarins, sweet potato tempura. No, sweet potato. People air frying sweet potato and then give it ice shower and air fry again. It comes out really sweet, they said. But actually that's too much work for sweet potato. So maybe I'm gonna show you how I eat it with microwave and air fryer. Microwave is easy and fast, but less tastier than air fryer. I got chives. I'm gonna make some kimchi out of it. And then I got big radish and I'm going to make kimchi with this as well. Some of them I'm gonna use it for soup. Grilled garlic, an apple, 3 tomatoes. There were like 3 or 4 kinds of tomatoes. This was the biggest and cheapest per pound. I was like, let me get the cheapest one. I took 3 of them. Look, 3. I know it's big, but these 3 tomatoes for $5? Isn't it too expensive? Or I just don't know the market price. I don't know. Yeah, these are what I got today. And tonight I'm going to make tomato egg scramble. I'm still sleepy. And today I had matcha, iced matcha. I made matcha at home. It's actually good. Oh, by the way, what kind of coffee do you like? I mean, I like this one is the best. Like just water, espresso, and ice. That's it. Because I don't really like sweet. But yeah, I thought I don't like sweet at all. Recently, I started eating a little piece of cake or chocolate and sometimes sweet drinks. Actually, it's very tasty. I, I, maybe I just didn't know I liked it. But the reason why I don't like sweet drink is after I drink it, I feel more thirsty. But this unsweetened coffee or tea, after drinking them, it's very clean and clear. I don't feel thirsty. Maybe I like the sweet flavor, but just don't like after how I feel. I think it's almost 4 p.m. I'm going to start editing videos and then I'm going to turn on the camera again when I cook dinner. Excuse me. Ooh, and this morning I cleaned my kitchen. Actually, it feels so good. It took me only like 20 minutes. Now I see my kitchen is clean and tidy up. It feels much better. I should keep it this way. But still, my living room and bedroom, they're very dirty. I'm gonna clean up small part at a time. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm gonna say bye here, or I can put cooking videos right after this. I will decide after edit this video. Depends how long it is.